Hello everyone, this is Nagesh here. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use Nuget Package Manager in Visual Studio 2013. For this tutorial, I am using the ultimate version of Visual Studio 2013. To start with the session, first of all, we'll see what is Nuget. Later on, we'll see how to use Nuget Package Manager in case of the Visual Studio 2013 Ultimate. So when we are talking about the Nuget, so Nuget is a package manager for the Microsoft development platform, including .NET. The Nuget client tools provides the ability to produce and consume packages. Basically, Nuget is a package manager for Microsoft development platform, which also supports the .NET. And what Nuget does, Nuget provides the ability to produce and consume packages. The Nuget gallery is the central package repository used by the package authors and consumers. So in my case, I am having Visual Studio 2013. So here we'll see how we can use the Nuget package manager in this case. In case of the Visual Studio 2013, now see, I want to create a new project. In this case, I am creating one new project, Here I am creating one ASP.NET web application. I am naming this particular application as Demo Nuget package manager. If you want to change the path of this particular location for this particular application, you can change it. In my case, suppose I want to save it on the desktop, so here I am saving it on the desktop by creating a new folder, naming it as a demo. Click on OK. Here we want one empty template in this case, so I'm clicking it on the empty, and in case of the add folders and core references for web forms, click on OK. So it will generate a project template for us to work with that particular project. Basically, we can install the packages in the solution by using the two ways. First one is by using Nuget UI, and another one is by using the Powershell commands. Now see, this is our solution. In case of this solution, from Nuget I want to install something. So how we can check whether Nuget extension is present in this version of Visual Studio or not? So what you can do, you can go to the tools. From here you can get a Nuget package manager. It is by default installed in case of the Visual Studio 2013. If it is not, then you can go to the extension and updates, and from here you can check for the Nuget package manager. Here you will get a Nuget package manager. By default it is installed in case of the Visual Studio 2013 Ultimate. If you want to uninstall it, by clicking on this particular uninstall button, you will able to uninstall it. So in our case, Nuget is already installed, so there is no requirement to install the Nuget again. So I'm closing this particular extension and updates window. Now see, in my application, I want to install something called as a suppose jQuery. Now you can, in case of the solution explorer, you can observe the things, whatever the things present in the solution, that is, it contains one folder, that is app underscore data models global.sx web config file properties, and some references are there. Now when we expand the references, here you can observe there is no jQuery, right? Now see, as I told, we can install the packages by using two ways, by using the Nuget UI, and another one is by using the PowerShell commands. Now see how we can use the Nuget UI. Go to the tools, and from here you can go to the Nuget package manager. By clicking on here you can go to the UI, or otherwise one more thing is there, by clicking on this particular solution name you can go to the manage Nuget packages, and here whatever the packages that you want to install, you can search over here. Suppose in my case I want to install the jQuery. I want to install jQuery. Now see, here you will get a jQuery UI, that is combined library, or here you will get a jQuery only. Now suppose I want to install the jQuery, it is showing the version 2.2.3. When you click on install, it will install the jQuery in our solution. In case of my project, we are talking about the individual project. Now see, jQuery is installed in my project, my application. I'm closing this particular. Now in case of the solution explorer, you can see here there is one folder called as a script that is by default get added, and to that folder a jQuery 2.2.3 gets installed over here. That is, here you will get a jQuery.min.js, jQuery -2.2.3.min.map, then jQuery -2.2.3.js. So from this, like this one, we can install the any particular packages by using Nuget UI. Now see, suppose if I want to install another thing or same package I want to uninstall. Now go to the manage Nuget packages, and from here you can search it. Suppose I want to install a new package, that is Bootstrap. See, you can find here Bootstrap. For that you need to go to the nuget.org. You need to click on the online nuget.org. From here you will find that particular packages. That is C. It is showing the Bootstrap CSS. Then if you want to install the JSON, you will able to install JSON. Similar thing here, if you want to install the entity framework, you are able to install it from the UI. So this is how we can work with the Nuget UI. One more thing, there is another way by using which we can install the packages, that is called as a using PowerShell commands. So now see how we can use PowerShell commands. So if I want to work with the PowerShell commands, I need to work with the something called as a package manager console. Something called as a package manager console. Now see, here you will see the package manager console. From first thing is here, that is you are observing here, it is showing the package source. From where you want to find out the source for that particular package, from Nuget, or either you can select all or nuget.org, but you can keep all the things as it is. Now here default project, where you want to install it, demo Nuget package manager. We are giving the name of the application as a demo Nuget package manager. Now see, I want to check the list of all available packages by using the PowerShell command. So in this case, if I want to get the list of all packages, you can just type get hyphen package space hyphen list available. Press enter. Now see, it will display the all available packages over here with the help of get package list available, with the help of this particular command. So with the help of this particular command, we are able to get the all available packages. That is get package hyphen space hyphen list available. So see, by default it is listing all the available packages over here. Another thing, something called as, suppose if I want to install some package by using the package manager console. I want to install something by using the package manager console. Suppose for example, I want to install the entity framework by using the package manager console. Once it is done, we'll install the one package called as an entity framework by using the command called as a install hyphen package and entity framework. Now see, it is still listing the all available packages in the from the Nuget, because here we have chosen the package source as a nuget.org. So if I want to install some package by using the Nuget, then we can install by using the Powershell command like this. This one, that is install hyphen package entity framework, to install any particular package. Now see, it is still listing the all available packages. So once it is done, we'll install some package by using the package manager console. Now see, you people might thinking about what is the benefit of installing a package from the package manager console instead of installing it from the Nuget UI. Right? Because why should we bother to use package manager console given that we have a nice UI for the Nuget system integrated within the Visual Studio? So there are some benefits of using the package manager console over the Nuget UI. The first benefit is that using the PMC, that is called as a package manager console, we can automate the addition of packages into your solution instead of each team member going to the Nuget UI and to add the packages. That means we can automate the addition of packages in our solution instead of each team member go to the Nuget UI and add the packages. This is one important benefit. Another thing is that the PMC script can be part of the Visual Studio solution itself. Meaning is this one is the package manager console script can be part of the Visual Studio solution itself, so that any new team member can simply run those scripts when setting up the solution. That means if there is any new team member and he want to set up the script, then this package manager console script is by default added in the Visual Studio solution. So that particular new team member is not required to bother about the adding the package manager console script. Another thing about the benefit of the package manager console is that Nuget will always install the latest version of the package. However, using package manager console, you can specify the version number of the package to install. Now see, by using the Nuget UI, we can Nuget UI always install the latest version of package. Suppose for example, I want to install the entity framework. So if I install that particular entity framework by using the Nuget UI, it will install the latest version of the entity framework. That is the 6.0.0, something like this one. Now see, my requirement is that instead of using the 6.0.0, I want to use the entity framework 5.0.0. So we are not able to install that particular version of entity framework by using the Nuget UI. We'll able to install it by using the package manager console. Another thing is that PMC is useful if we wish to manage the dependencies manually without using the Nuget. Another thing is that by using the package manager console, we can reinstall a package as well, and we can repair a package as well. PMC is another thing about the benefit of the package manager console is that it is not just an alternative to the Nuget. Many packages add commands to the package manager console for additional functionality as well. So these are the some benefits of the package manager console. Now see here, I want to install, to clear a screen package manager console, we can use the CLS. Now see, I want to install some package called as an entity framework by using the package manager console. So how we can install? You just need to type a command, install hyphen package space entity framework. So it will install the entity framework 6.1.3. So this is the latest version of framework it is going to install. So same thing is happen in case of the Nuget UI as well. Now see, if I want to uninstall something, this is how we can install any particular framework. Right. Now see, if I want to update this particular, my requirement is that I want to use the 5.0.0 entity framework instead of 6.1.3. So here we can update it by using update hyphen package space entity framework space hyphen version, and I want to install 5.1.3 instead of 6.1.3. I want to install 5.1.3. Now see, it is showing the no update is available. So instead of 5.1.3, I want to install 5.0.0. Now see, it is updating the entity framework from version 6.1.3 to 5.0.0. So what it is showing, that is it is uninstalling the entity framework 6.1.3 and successfully uninstalled 6.1.3, and it is successfully added the entity framework 5.0.0. So this is the main benefit of the using the package manager console. That means if I have used the Nuget UI, in case of the Nuget UI, it is by default installed the version that is 6.1.3, but my requirement is that I want to use the entity framework 5.0.0. So we can install the whatever the version that we want to install it. Similarly, we can uninstall any particular package by using the package manager console. Now see, I want to uninstall something. That is, before uninstalling any particular package, I want to check whatever the packages that is installed in my solution. So you can check it by using command called as a get hyphen package. So in my solution, two packages is installed. One is the entity framework having the version 5.0.0 and another is the jQuery that I have installed by using the Nuget UI, and version of that particular jQuery is 2.2.3. Now see, if I want to check the update of this particular, if there is any update of these particular packages available, then we can check by using get hyphen package space hyphen updates space hyphen updates. So if any update is available, it is definitely showing. Now see, in our case, it is showing the update, that is entity framework, the package that we have already installed, having the updated one version that is 6.1.3. That means in first case we have installed the just entity framework by using the install hyphen package entity framework, that is 6.1.3. Then in the second case we have updated that particular package to the version 5.0.0. and now see, with the help of get package command, we have whatever the packages that is installed in our solution it is displaying that particular packages, and with the help of get hyphen package updates we can see the updated version, one more version, that is updated version available of entity framework, that is 6.1.3. now see, if I want to uninstall any particular package, now I want to install the entity framework, so you can type the command uninstall hyphen package, and you can specify the space, you can specify the package name, that is entity framework in my case. Press enter. Now see, it is showing that is removing entity framework 5.0 from the demo demo underscore Nuget. So this is how we can work with the Nuget package manager in case of Visual Studio 2013 Ultimate. So that's it. Thank you.